So this muscle here, what muscle is this? That's right, it's the gastrocnemius or gastrocnemius. What's the origin for the gastrocnemius? That's right, medial and lateral condyles of the femur. What about insertion? That's right, it's going to insert on the calcaneal tendon, also known as the Achilles tendon here. What about action? Action for the gastrocnemius. What does it do? That's right, plantar flexion. What nerve? Yeah, tibial nerve. Tibial nerve innervates the gastrocnemius. Okay, what muscle? Yeah, soleus. That's the soleus. The soleus. Let's talk origin. Origin. Soleal line of the tibia. Insertion. That's right, calcaneal tendon or Achilles tendon. And then what's our action for the soleus? What does it do? That's right, it's going to help in plantar flexion, and it's going to assist in holding the body upright against that line of gravity. And here we have these deep muscles of the posterior leg coming up next. That's right, tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum, and flexor hallucis longus. Tibialis posterior, remember, deep to the soleus muscle, tibialis posterior. Okay. What's the origin for the tibialis posterior? That's right. Posterior tibia. Insertion? Yeah, plantar foot. Plantar foot. What about the action? What does it do? What does it do? That's right. Plantar flexion, an eversion of the foot, and innervation. Innervated by the tibial nerve. That's right. That's the flexor hallucis longus. Origin for that muscle. That's right. Fibula. Posterior fibula. Originating on the fibula and inserting the big toe, the hallux. What's the action for the flexor hallucis longus? It flexes. It's going to flex that big toe, that hallux. Innervation for this flexor hallucis longus. What nerve innervates this muscle? That's right, tibial nerve. Origin for the flexor digitorum longus. What about insertion? Inserts on the digits, digits 2 through 5. Tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior is going to originate where? The lateral anterior tibia. Tibialis anterior, insertion. Plantar, medial foot. What about action? Dorsiflexion and inversion of the foot. What's the innervation for the tibialis anterior? deep fibular nerve. Extensor hallucis longus. The extensor hallucis longus originates from the fibula. How about the insertion? Where does it insert? That's right, on the hallux. Action. What does it do? What's the action for the extensor hallucis longus? The extensor hallucis longus extends the toe, the hallux, the big toe, only. Innervation. Yeah, deep fibular nerve. Fibularis longus, the origin for this muscle. Yeah, the head of the fibula, fibularis longus, and it'll insert where? That's right, on the plantar surface of the medial foot. What's our action? Eversion of the foot, innervation, superficial fibular nerve, fibularis brevis, origin on the fibula, insertion for the fibularis brevis, the lateral foot. What's the action for the fibularis brevis? Inversion of the foot. What about innervation for the fibularis brevis? Superficial fibular nerve. There we go.